The Zscaler Branch Connector is a solution designed to securely connect servers and IoT/OT devices, such as cameras, printers, and industrial sensors, to the Internet, cloud services, and other systems across different locations. Think of it as a Zscaler Client Connector for devices where installing the traditional client isn't an option. It acts as a bridge for these devices, securely routing their traffic through the Zero Trust Exchange, allowing them to access cloud services like Office 365, Salesforce, or secure Internet browsing through Zscaler Internet Access without compromising security. The Branch Connector brings several advantages to enterprises. Secure branch connectivity. With the Branch Connector, businesses can connect branch locations to the corporate network securely, without the need for complex VPNs or MPLS lines. Each device only gets access to the specific applications it needs, keeping everything else separate and secure. Direct Internet access. Instead of routing all traffic through a central data center known as hairpinning, which can cause delays, the Branch Connector allows for direct, secure access to the Internet from any location, reducing latency and improving performance. Access to cloud applications. Whether it's accessing SaaS applications like Office 365 or using specialized cloud-based tools, the Branch Connector ensures secure and high-performing connections directly to the cloud. Simplified network architecture. By using the Branch Connector, businesses can reduce the need for traditional hardware like firewalls and VPN devices at branch sites. Instead, a single route to Zscaler's cloud security service can handle security policies and configurations for all branch locations. Rapid deployment. The Branch Connector can be quickly set up as a virtual appliance or, in the future, as a hardware appliance, making it easy to scale. Consistent security policies. No matter where a branch is located, the Branch Connector ensures that the same security policies are enforced across all sites, providing consistent protection